Best dog nail grinder, make the right decision now. Go to Amazon.com and buy it right now. Purchasing the best dog nail grinder is the most effective way to avoid expensive visits to the groomer. Nail grinders are easy to use, affordable, and widely available. A high-speed rotating pad is used in a dog nail grinder. In fact, a nail grinder is a highly useful tool, which allows you file your dog's nail one by one. You can also smoothen the edges of nails of your dog by using a nail grinder. Your dog will not feel any pain while using a nail grinder. You can also avoid cutting the pinkish part of the nails of your dog, which can cause bleeding and severe pain. If you use conventional nail clippers, you may accidentally clip the dog's quick. Thus, nail grinders are very popular among dog owners. You can also use this tool even if you do not have experience in dog grooming. Thank you. It's time to buy from Amazon.com.